Hi, and welcome back to C5 Basics. Today I'd like to explore the File Manager in a little more depth with you. Let's take a look at it and see what we can do to make everyday use of the File Manager just a little bit friendlier and faster. We'll go to Dashboard, select File Manager, and here's the area I'm sure you're already familiar with, where your photos, your documents, everything is stored for sorting, for editing. And quite honestly, the longer you have the site, well, you'll end up with, instead of a few, you'll end up with many, many pages of documents and images. Now, to control that a little bit, to make it easier for you to search things out, let's take a look at what our options are. On our typical image, we have a thumbnail of the image, what type of file it is, the title of the file, when it was added, when it became active, which incidentally in most cases is the same as when it was added. Also, the total document or image size. Now these are all useful pieces of information, but there is more at your disposal to help manage and search the File Manager. So let's take a peek. First off, we can sort right now by default. The most recent documents and images are displayed first. However, by clicking on the Add It, you'll notice now we have it in reverse order. The oldest images are displayed first, and it descends to the most current. Just click it to return to where it was. Different sizes you can also sort. There's our smallest files. There's our largest files. However, although this is saying how large the file is, if it's an image, it really doesn't say how big that image is. To find that out, typically you'd have to go to the item, click on it, and look under Properties. However, there is an easier way. Let's go up to Advanced Search. When we select Advanced Search, this drop-down now shows the Customize Results shortcut. By selecting that, well, look at there, additional attributes, width and height. If I choose those and save it, now for every image, not only do we have the file size, but we have the number of pixels wide and the number high it is. This is very helpful when you're looking at design features on your website. You can just as easily customize by deselecting. Again, as I had mentioned before, when it was added and when it became active are oftentimes the same. So let's just remove one. The size is relatively unimportant if I'm using the width and height on images. So let's remove size. Furthermore, if I scroll down, I can change the order so that it is convenient to me and convenient to you to, at a glance, really help you sort through images and files. Very helpful. It's just strictly a matter of clicking and dragging. It's really that easy. Save your changes, and there we go. Our order has been changed. Extra information that I did not want is removed, and information I found helpful has been added. This is just one of the hidden features that I hope you enjoy using as you develop your website with concrete5. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Adrian, your concrete5 community liaison with Arvixe Web Hosting. If you have any comments on today's presentation or would like to request another, please contact me at adrian.rick@arvixe.com.